Hello friends, today we're gonna make a protein-packed green smoothie. We're gonna use mangoes and spinach. And why we're making this smoothie today? Well, a lot of people have trouble including greens in their diet, and smoothies are a great way to include them. You can use spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, whatever you name it. So the main ingredients here are mango and spinach. Both are ingredients that you can find frozen in your supermarket, so you may not have to use any fresh ingredients, but they are still full of vitamins. So mangoes, you can find mango dices in frozen format, or you can just use fresh mango, and same thing with spinach. See, these, I love them because they are frozen, they are already packed with everything you need in your greens, and you don't have to use any ice cubes. Let's talk protein sources. You can use any kind of plant milk. We usually go for soy milk if we are trying to pack lots of protein into our smoothies to make them more filling. So we're using soy milk here, but you can use any kind of plant milk. And then another easy way to add protein to your smoothies is using your favorite protein powder. We usually go for vanilla flavor because it just matches and pairs with everything. But then you can also use things like hemp hearts, which is also a great way to add protein to your smoothies. And then we like to use any sweeteners like dates. Dates are a natural sweetener that also are great for muscle recovery. Last but not least, ginger. And why? Well, ginger is great to fight inflammation, which is completely natural after you're working out. Remember to pit the dates because the pits are very harmful for your blender. We're doing ginger, and also talking about pantry staples. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can just simply use ginger powder. Let's begin with the liquids. Then we'll continue with the dry ingredients. This is the protein powder. Pitted dates. Fresh ginger. And we add our veggies and fruit. And since we're not using any frozen ingredients, we're gonna add some ice. Ready for trying it out?
Yeah, of course. Let's do it.
No, that one is for the gym.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think?
I like it. It's not too sweet. It's very smooth. It's perfect.
I love it.